welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Dior multicolor B23, and I want to introduce the accessories to you before we go to the shoe. You see that this is the box. Dior is well printed there, and here you see the multicolor B23 shoe here with the size and the serial number. That's the shoe box label. Okay, so that's it. Now let's open the box. In the box you will see the dust bag. That's it. And the dust bag has the same material with the box. You can see that there. This is the receipt. You see the receipt here. The name of the customer is here, the address and everything. This receipt can be modified. You see the ribbon, Dior. Okay, and here you will see the extra lace and the B. Here is the envelope, and here is the dust bag. Okay, now let's talk about the multicolor Dior B23. Okay, you see that here on the top it's made of oblique transparency. The color is multicolored, and the here is made of rubber, high quality rubber. You see Dior is embossed here, and the B also, you can see that there. Same as for this one. Don't worry, at the end of the video I will give you a close look video for this Dior. Okay, for all those who want to know more about the Dior, you can just contact me and I will let you know. And for all those who want to buy, you can also contact me, and we will talk more about the Dior. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.